So far we just have wet sawdust, damp sawdust in all the buckets, and we evenly divided it, and then we're mixing our seed evenly in each of these buckets. So I've got the small seed, and I'm putting about 1/3 of a tablespoon in each bucket.
And then,
so I could go around and just until I run out.
Sure.
Right?
and,
Yeah,
and what are you guys doing?
Large seed, that's fluffy seed, grasses.
Yeah.
So 1, 2,
And
3,
how
wait.
much is going?
We're just evenly dividing it. So we'll go in each bucket until we run out.
On the dock out there, do you want that dug out?
Now we're stirring our seed blend.
And Sarah, you're adding.
I'm adding a little bit more milkweed, common milkweed in this case.
Mixing the seed through the sawdust, reaching down into the bottom.
Count 3. 1, 2, 3.
We are doing site preparation. The plastic has been removed, and we are removing the few weeds that were able to survive the solar plastic.
But it had been worked up, so...
But then you worked it, yeah.
So seed every 20 feet along here.
And how many areas are you making?
7.
Well, we are planting a bunch of wonderful prairie seeds to attract monarchs and pollinators. And we're trying to seed enough so that we get a little bit everywhere and then a little bit left over so that on the way back we'll still have the ability to put more down. And I need to keep mixing my seed. So that's a good reminder. It's the first time I've done this, so I'm feeling a lot of pressure.
But this isn't that bad as far as wind.
So, Sarah, you saying go like halfway?
Shot.
And then